In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove unwanted clips from your video. So if that's what you're looking for, then without wasting so much of your time, let's begin. Let me show you how the inshot app looks. This is how it looks. That's it. You can see inshot. Then you go to video. Go to video. This is video. Click on video, and then you choose the video you have already made and you want to edit. So let me choose this one for example. So when I choose this, I'm just going to show you the basic of the features in this app using this video as example. So let's assume I want to edit some parts of the video. I'm going to be using pre-cut. This is pre-cut. You can see the sign here. It looks like a scissors. So I'm just going to click on pre-cut, and then when I click on pre-cut, they have 3 different ways you can use it. If you want to cut a video from the middle, this is how it is. So you just adjust it like this, adjust it to the part you don't want. So this, from the beginning to this middle and from the end to this middle, will be intact. Then this place that is dark in the middle will be out of the video. So that's for cut. Then if you want to trim works for just the beginning and the end of a video. So if you want to remove the beginning or the end, just trim. So that's how it works for pre-cut. Like to know how to remove background noise or add music or add text to your videos, or the other editing features available on inshot, then you should consider subscribing to my channel because I'm going to upload them next.